Hello students, I welcome all the students of third year IT for this lecture series, and this is a unit number 2 for the subject Theory of Computation. That's a regular expressions and languages. So first is point is the regular expression, their definition. What is a regular expression? It is a set of strings. It is a set of strings that accepted by finite automata is known as regular language. The set of strings accepted by the finite automata is known as regular language. This question will be asked in the exam, in the INSEM exam. So this language can also be described in compact form. This language means the regular language can also be described in compact form using a set of operators. Now, which operators are there? That's a plus, means the union operator. Dot means it's a concatenation operator, and star means it's a closure or star or closure operator. This will also ask in the exam. So next, an expression written using the set of operators means whatever the expression written using this plus means the union, concatenation or the star or closure operator, and it describing a regular language is known as regular expression. With the help of this operator, it describes some regular language is known as the regular expression. Now, whatever this regular expression for some basic automata, that's the identities, language, and the automata. First of all, the automata, we will learn about this automata, language, and regular expression. How the automata will you see the how automata, and what's the language actually, what is the language means, and how the regular expression should be right for this automata or for this diagram. This table will not you can't find anywhere, means not in a single book. I will just take the notes from the reference book. So this is a automata, this is a empty automata, means it is the initial and the final state, it's a empty automata. And the language, when you see this, it's a epsilon, means in the regular expression we write it as a only the epsilon, means nothing. Then next is a this state is passing the A input to this state or the final state. We write it is in the language like A, and in the regular expression also we write RE, means the regular expression equal to A. Now the third one is one state are there, A input going to this final state, and also the B input is also going for this final state. So in the language form we write it as A comma B. So now this is a this is a union. So like A is going to this final state and B is also going to this final state. It's a union. So we write it as RE equal to A plus B. Whenever this type of diagram you see, you have to write like this. RE means the regular expression equal to A plus B. Then the next one is some state passes, suppose Q0, Q1 and Q2. So Q1 is passing the A input to the Q1, and the Q1 is passing the B input to the final state. So it's combinedly, so we write it as in the language form is A, B. So in the RE expression, we write it as A dot means the concatenation B, or you can also write AB directly. Next is this is the initial state and this is a final state. When the final state is given like this, you see the diagram like this, it's a phi in the language, and also the regular language is also equal to phi, means nothing. Now just see this diagram, it's a in loop. So whenever you see the loop, means in the in the language, it's like epsilon. It can be the answer like epsilon or a or a or triple a. You got the answer like this. So in the regular expression form, we write it as a star. Whenever it is a loop, it will show with the star. Maybe you are getting this diagram. Now the A is passing to this state, and this state have the self loop A. Maybe the answer may be like A, then A or A, maybe the triple A, 4 times A, maybe the answer like this. So we will write as like A star, or directly we write it as A star. Answer may be this, so we write it as A star. Now this example, this is a state, it passing A, and here this side it passing B. So again from here it passing the B input to this final state, and from this side it passes the A input. So it's like a B, and this also B A B and B A. In the language form we write it as like. So now this is a concatenation. We already see like here, no? This is a concatenation, right? Now this is A and B, correct? A B in the concatenation form, and from here it's a B A. Okay, A B and B A. Now we have seen that whenever two form, means like A and B are just getting here in the final state, it like AB plus BA, correct? So we are writing in like regular expression equal to the AB plus BA. Now this ninth diagram, this is it passing the A B from this side, again B A. Okay, now how it will be seen like A B A A A B A A, and from this side B A A A B A A A. Okay, in the language from in the language form. Now how we will write in the regular expression? It's like A B, okay, like this. A B, here is the this is a concatenation, and here is now union. Okay, A B plus it's a B A. Okay, and this is a directly answer is what? A and A. So we write it as like this. And next one is this is a initial and final state both. So here A comma B. So how will we write in the language form? It's a epsilon, then A B. Maybe user can take whatever the input, no? So it can be a or it can be a B, or it can be a AA, or it can be a AB, or B or BB, and many more, like triple times A, or 2 times A, 1 time B, maybe anything. So we will write it as A plus B star whole star. Okay. If R1 and R2 are the regular expression, then R1 means the regular expression 1 plus regular expression 2 is also the regular. R1 dot R2 is also the regular, means the R1 concatenate R2 is also regular. R1 star means the regular expression star, means the star or closure expression is also the regular. R2 star is also the regular, and R1 plus is also the regular. R1 plus, here the plus stands for one or more occurrences of R1. Maybe one or more occurrences. But when it's like a 0 star, it stands for a language in which a word contains 0 or more zeros. But in this regular expression, means in the 0 it's starting from like 0 star means epsilon, then 0. But from this R1 plus, it's like a suppose the 1, then means there is no epsilon in the when there is a R1 plus. Now here 0 plus 1 star stands for a language in which a word W, means the word, contains any combination of zeros and ones. Okay, so the operator of regular expression, if R and S are the regular expression denoting the language L1 and L2 respectively, then R plus S is equivalent to language 1 union language 2. That's a union. RS is equivalent to L1, means the language 1 and language 2. That's a dot. There is a dot here. So it's a concatenation. And R star is equivalent to language star. That's a closure or clean star. Okay. And R plus is equivalent to L1 plus. Like it's a clean plus closure. It's a clean plus closure. Now here, what is the difference between R star and the R plus? So R star or A star, it's like it's starting from the epsilon A. What's the answer for this? If you get the question like A, what is A star means? Then it's like it's starting from, what is the answer for this? It's starting from the epsilon A. Then because this is a loop, right? So double A, triple A, 4 times, 5 times A. So 0 or more occurrences. But from here, that like A plus, okay, plus closure. So A plus, what is the answer now? It's only one or more occurrences are there. It is only one or more occurrences are there. Like there is no epsilon, no? There is no epsilon. So like A plus means, first of all, first A, then 2 times A, 3 times A. What's the difference between A star and A plus? A star means 0 and more occurrences are there, and A plus means 1 or more occurrences are there. There is no epsilon, there is no starting with epsilon in A plus. Please remember this thing. A plus don't have the, it is not starting with the epsilon, means it is not starting with 0. It is starting with 1. So AB star. What the AB star's answer like? Epsilon, AB, double AB. If there is AB and whole bracket plus, then what is the answer? It's directly from the AB. Okay. Now the identities of regular expression and equivalence of two regular expressions. The two regular expressions like P and Q are equivalent or denoted as P equal to Q if and only if P represents the same set of strings as Q. The two regular expressions like name P and Q are equivalent when it is equivalent if and only if the P present the same set. If P present the same set of strings as Q does. So, for showing the equivalence, the regular expression we need to show some identities of regular expressions. We need to show some identities of regular expressions. Like let P, Q are the regular expressions, then the identity rules of equivalence as given below. So, this is the rules, huh? This is the equivalence rules. You have to remember all these 16 rules. If you know all the 16 rules, then only you can solve these problems. If you don't remember these 16 rules, you can't solve any problem. First is a rule, it's epsilon and r equal to, again r epsilon means it is a r. Epsilon star equal to epsilon. Epsilon is a null string. This is a phi star means it's a epsilon. Again, it's a phi. It means empty. So phi star, phi and r means we can write as a r phi, phi like it's their answer is phi. This is all the 16 rules. You have to remember this. Now the examples. This is a 111 star and whole star equal to 11 plus triple ones whole bracket star. You have to prove that it is correct. Means LHS is equal to the RHS. Now, what is 111 star and whole bracket star? Here is like this. We can also write like R star. Means how we can write? We can write as triple one star in bracket star. We can also write it as only triple one star. So what is the answer for this? There is a star. So how? What is the answer for this? It's like epsilon 11 triple one and 4 times 1 and many more like this. Now we will solve the RHS part. It's like a 1 plus triple one star. Now we will find the what's the rule for this. It's a R plus R star equal to, we will see it like this. We will see. Okay, this is R plus R whole bracket star is equal to R star. Okay, so it's a 111 star means again what is the answer? Epsilon 11 triple one and 4 times 1 and many more. This is the answer. Like this example is there. This shows you have to solve this example. You have to try. Now This is an example. Write a regular expression for the following languages, like the set of 1010. So, a regular expression equal to 1010 stands for the set 1010. Now, the set of 10, comma 1010. Now, how we will write this regular expression? How we will write this? We already seen, right? How we will write this? One minute. How we will write this? It's a 10 plus means it's a union or concatenation. It's a union where it is this one a comma b. Here is a comma b. We are writing regular expression is like a plus b, so that we are writing here 10 means A and 1010 means B. So the set of 10s comma 1010 we will write in the regular expression like 10 plus 1010. It represents the set 10 comma 1010. Now the set of epsilon comma 10 comma 01. So the how we will write this regular expression? We will write as epsilon same. So it's the epsilon plus means union 10 union means the plus 01. Now the set of epsilon 0 00 So how we will write this? We already I'm already teach you in this how we will write this. How we will write this epsilon a double a triple a and many more. Now how we will write this? It's like a regular expression equal to 0 star. Now the set 0 comma 00 or 000. How we will write this? We will write it as regular expression equal to 0 plus, or we can write it as 00 star. Not a 0 star, it's a 00 star. Now this is an example, the set of strings over alphabet 01 starting with 0. The set of strings over alphabet 01 starting with 0 means we want the our expression like it's starting with, or the answer that like it can be a 0 1 or but starting with only 0. So the set of strings starting with 0 is given. So how we will write? So 0 in bracket 0 plus 1 whole bracket star means what's the answer for this? It's a 0 0 0 or 0 1 or 0 0 0 1 or 0 1 0 1. So the set of strings over alphabet 0 1 ending with 1. Now we want the ending with 1. Now the regular expression for a set over alphabet 0 and 1 ending with 1, you have to find their answer now. And for H also you have to find the answer. For this session we will stop here. We can start now. We will start with the next topic, conversion of regular expression to finite automata using direct method. Thank you. Hope you will subscribe the channel